Dear Suno, please make me the best D Dorian guitar melody on earth.
This is also definitely not D Dorian, I can tell you that. Hello everybody, it's been a long year since I've posted any videos, but a lot has happened in the meantime. I've come back to a nasty reality. But I'm assuming that most likely you as a musician have at least seen one of these videos about this topic. Suno.ai will kill your creativity, Suno.ai will steal your work, and Suno.ai will destroy the music industry. Well, I think most of that might be true, and I must be honest that I'm quite afraid of this artificial intelligence development, so I will not lie and act as if I'm all cool and relaxed about this. So after all the controversy, I decided to give it a spin myself. I tried Suno.ai 3 years ago, or I don't know, 2 years ago, and it was quite sucky, to be honest. So now, after all this time, I thought, why not, let's give it a try. And while playing around with it today, I found out something interesting. There's one thing that it just refuses to do. It refuses to create the type of music that I want it to create. Let's dive right in. And I wrote a basic prompt asking it to write me a D Dorian melody. Now this is what it gave me. Yeah, that's D Dorian, alright. Don't you love that beautiful major sound? Let's give a listen to the next example that it created for me. Yeah, I just love that emotional new age kind of stuff. That's your modal stuff right there. So at the moment I want to create a short video ad for my modal guide cheat sheet, which is free to download for everybody. So because I really hate doing marketing activities, I tried to cheat my way out of it and spend as less time as possible on creating this video ad. So at first I thought, okay, maybe it's just the free tier, you don't have access to the newest model. So I signed up and I paid for a monthly subscription to get access to the newest model. Maybe I'm the one who's making mistakes here. I played the most beautiful D Dorian scale that I could play on my guitar and decided to upload it. Then this is the result that I got. Okay, that's definitely not D Dorian. Let's listen to the next one. This is also definitely not D Dorian, I can tell you that. Okay, so I thought maybe, D Dorian is just not Suno's kind of thing, so let's try something else. Let's try a melody in C Phrygian. So again, I recorded the most beautiful C Phrygian scale on my guitar. And I uploaded it, of course. Then I chose the extend function like I did before. And this is what it gave me. Oh yeah, that's your Sati Gnoshen kind of stuff. I love it in a modern vibe. But even the root notes is different. Where's the C? And I've never heard Phrygian sound as happy as it does right here. If Phrygian sounds like this, then probably every time you put on your radio you hear Phrygian songs. Just remember that. But now I decided to make the prompt a little bit more elaborate and asking again for a song in D Dorian, like play me a D Dorian guitar melody. And I gave the notes of the D Dorian scale. And I specifically told him I don't care about the style, just as long as it's in the Dorian mode. Let's have a listen. So my conclusion here is that for now, I'm not out of work yet. And if you do want to learn about the musical modes, then try out my mini course or my premium course about the musical modes. The mini course helps you get the best out of your cheat sheet, and you should see this as your first steps or as your shortcut to learning the musical modes. While my modal playbook course is suitable for beginners and intermediates, and the best thing is that my learning platform received a massive upgrade. And I can't emphasize this enough. I have missed you all, and I can't wait to get back to at least creating videos on a monthly basis or maybe even on a weekly basis. So, stay creative, stay inspired, and for now, see you next time.